Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston and we're giving you a tour of the Palace Tower, which is a 12th floor building being built in downtown Kingston. Now that's the building straight ahead. The first 3 floors is going to be parking and then the other 9 floors will be commercial space. And this building is actually located where the old Palace Theatre used to be. And they demolished that structure and they're putting up a new building. And there are so many other buildings in downtown Kingston that should be demolished and new structures go up. Now, this is one of a few buildings going up in downtown Kingston. You have the K2 apartments, 10 floors. This one, Palace Theatre, 12 Palace Tower, 12 floors. And then further up the road from here, you have the Price Smart Club being built. And then further up the road, you have GWM, Great Mole Waters, building a massive showroom it's a car dealership out of China. Then the Bank of Jamaica plans to build a 10-story tower down by Nethersole Place. And there are 2 other massive residential developments planned for the Kingston waterfront. So we will keep you guys updated on all these developments. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.